If you're building or remodeling a high-end home, what I'm about to show you might surprise you. A few years ago, these features were considered luxury upgrades reserved for the most expensive homes in the country. And today, buyers expect them. And if you're spending hundreds of thousands or even millions on a home, skipping these features can actually make your property feel outdated before it's even finished. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 features that are quickly becoming a new standard in luxury homes, from hidden design details to smart home technology that homeowners now expect. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. The first feature is becoming a standard: seamless outdoor living. In Arizona, we have the advantage of being able to enjoy outdoor spaces for much of the year. Homeowners are no longer looking at the backyard as a separate area. They want it to feel like an extension of the house itself. We're seeing larger sliding glass walls, pocket doors that disappear completely, and outdoor living spaces designed with the same attention to detail as the interior. Outdoor kitchens, covered lounges, built-in fireplaces, outdoor televisions, integrated sound systems. The goal is to blur the line between the inside and the outside. And when done correctly, the home feels significantly larger without adding more square footage. The second trend is elevated finishes that feel timeless rather than flashy. A decade ago, luxury often meant shiny surfaces, excessive detail, and material design that stands out. Today, luxury is becoming more subtle. We're seeing homeowners gravitate towards natural stone slabs with dramatic vining, wide plank hardwood flooring, textured wall finishes, custom cabinetry, and high-end quality luxury details. The emphasis isn't necessarily on showing wealth. It's on creating a home that feels warm, authentic, and well-crafted. People want materials that age beautifully and continue looking great 10 years or 20 years into the future. That's becoming a defining characteristic of luxury design. The hidden home automation revolution. This is the third feature of the whole home automation systems. And what's interesting is that the best smart homes don't actually look smart. Technology is increasingly disappearing into the architecture. Homeowners want lighting, shades, security, audio, climate control, and even water management systems all working together behind the scenes. Imagine arriving home and having your exterior lights automatically activate. Interior temperatures adjust. Shades lower to block the afternoon sun's heat. Security systems arm or disarm automatically, all without touching a switch. The focus isn't on gadgets, it's on convenience. The luxury today isn't having more technology, it's having the technology that simplifies your life. Another major shift after seeing the wellness-focused design, people are spending more time at home than ever before, and they're investing in spaces that support their health and lifestyle. Dedicated home gyms, spa-inspired bathrooms, steam showers, infrared saunas, advanced air filtration systems, circadian lighting systems. Homeowners are beginning to think about their home as something that supports their physical and mental well-being. In many luxury homes, wellness isn't an afterthought anymore. It's becoming a core part of the design process from day one. The final feature is highly functional specialty spaces. Luxury homeowners aren't necessarily asking for larger homes. They're asking for smarter homes. We're seeing requests for hidden prep kitchens, organized mudrooms, home offices, flexible guest suites, dedicated hobby rooms, pet washing stations, custom storage solutions. Every square foot is expected to have a purpose. The goal is making daily life easier and more efficient while maintaining a clean and beautiful design aesthetic. The biggest takeaway is this: luxury today isn't about excess. It's about intentional design. The homes that feel most luxurious aren't necessarily the largest or the most expensive. They are homes that combine thoughtful design, exceptional craftsmanship, smart technology, and functionality into one seamless experience. And the reality is that many of these features are no longer considered upgrades. They're becoming the standard for high-end homes. If you're planning a renovation and want to create a home that is built for the future, we would love to help. Have a great day.